In this video, I am going to show you how you can sell subscriptions on your Shopify store. Take a look at this product. It's food for dogs, and it is offering a subscription plan for the customers. And I am going to create a similar subscription offer in this video. To get started, simply head over to your Shopify dashboard. Here, I will go to the products option on the left. Before we set up the subscription, it is important to add the necessary products. So, click on Add Products. Next, enter your product details, such as the product name, description, images, etc. For now, I will simply copy the details from this demo page. I've copied the title and description, and now I will upload the images too. I will arrange these images in the right order. Next, I will enter the price of the product and then compare at price of the product too. Lastly, I will enter the inventory details here. And then I will click on the Save button to save all the changes. Once the product is added, it's time for us to install an app, which will offer the subscription feature on our store. To do that, head over to the Apps option on the left. Here, search for subscription. This will take us to the Shopify App Store, where you'll see different subscription apps. Here, you'll find hundreds of apps for subscription. I personally like this Subby subscription app, but it is a bit advanced. For this video, we will go with Appstle Subscriptions app, which is very easy to use and beginner-friendly too. Here, you can see the ratings and reviews of the app. If you scroll down, you'll see all the features of the app, which is available in the free plan. Alright, now I will click on this Install button to install the app on my store. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a page like this. To create a subscription plan, click on this Next Step button. Next, enter a plan name here. Since we are selling dog food as an example, I will type it here. This name won't be available to your customers, as it is only for internal purposes. Next, to add your product, click on this Browse Product option. Search for the product here, then select the product, and then confirm. Next, we need to add subscription frequency. So, click on this Edit button here. You will see these options here. I will change the frequency to 1 week. Under Display Content, I will change it to Weekly Subscription. We also have the option to add a description here. Under Offer Incentives, I can add some discounts on the subscription. For now, I will increase the discount to 10%. We can also change the discount after a certain number of payments. I will change the discount after 5 payments. And I will reduce the discount to 5%. We have some other settings under Policies. I recommend keeping it as it is. And then click here to save all the changes. As you can see, the weekly subscription plan is added here. I also want to add a monthly subscription plan. So, I will repeat the same process to add a monthly subscription. For monthly subscription, I will only give a 5% discount. And the rest of the settings will be the same as the weekly subscription. Alright, now I will click on the Save button to save the changes.